Hi there guys, Mark Gossage here. Today I'm reviewing Money Grub. Money Grub is a product put together by Justin Chase, Kaleem Mohammed and myself, Mark Gossage. Now, it's an in-depth product, it's a training product. It's going to take you right from A to Z on how to make money online. A lot of people want to do it, haven't got the money to shell out on a lot of training. So what we've done, we've gone out, we've got together, found out, what's working for each of us. Now, we've all teamed up and put everything there. So it's going to take you straight through on how to review a product, how to get approval, how to get affiliate approval, how to promote products, how to offer bonuses, how to create bonus pages. We don't just go on about it, we actually show you, we walk you through step by step. Now, this is a massive training product. We could have turned it into a sort of one-time offer 1, 2 and 3, but we've put it all into the front end. There are upsells, but Money Grub is more than a complete training course. It's all there, guys. If you want sort of $1,000 course at a knockdown price, Money Grub is it. Now, before I go through and show you all the training here in the members area, and there's a lot, I'd like to take you straight on over to my bonus page. It's as simple as clicking on the very first link right down below this video if you're on YouTube, and coming straight on over to my Money Grub bonus page. There's a load of bonuses here. It tells you a bit about Money Grub, the pricing. As you can see, there are upsells. You don't need them for this to work, okay? Front end, $12.95 start price, so it's more than affordable. There is a walkthrough video here on the bonus page as well that's going to show you even more about Money Grub. It's a demo video. Kaleem's put it together. He's going to show you exactly what's involved in there. Now, bonus one, all about social media. We get you the traffic via YouTube, so I thought, well, let's get you some bonuses, let's get you some more traffic, let's show you how you should be putting yourself out on social media, and not just Facebook, social media as a whole. It's going to show you how to succeed on the social media platforms, how to brand yourself, how to get known, how to get attention, how to get the clicks basically, which is traffic. Get them over there and get them purchasing affiliate products. Hashtag leave no one behind. Once you get on those social media platforms, you're going to want to start using hashtags. You want to use them right. Different social media platforms lay them out in a different way. So this is going to cover it. It's going to show you how to get niche targeted traffic by using the right hashtags, quality hashtags that generate traffic. You've also got my Microsoft Ads video course. This is all about getting traffic. This is paid traffic. I've took you through the free traffic. Now, as you start to make money, reinvest it into paid traffic and really start to boost it up. Start to scale up and make even more traffic. Yep, more traffic equals more income. Simple as that. So I want to show you how to get more traffic to your website, to your videos, wherever. Let's get that traffic and let's get it traveling in the right direction. Then Twitter. A lot of people overlook Twitter. It's easy to use. Maybe a small image, a little post, a tweet, and that is it. So I'm going to show you how to get a load of buyer traffic by tweeting the right way on Twitter. Full video training course, and that's going to show you everything you need to know. Then Jono, he's also put his bonuses in, $200 per day on autopilot. That's another income stream. That's going to help you go even further, start making money online even faster. Jono's headlines hack. Headlines, build an email list. Even on YouTube, your headlines are so important, and Jono's going to show you an easy way of getting headlines that work. 5 email marketing tips for higher conversions. You're building an email list, hopefully. That's going to show you how to do it. It's going to show you how to get conversions from your list. Access timeless traffic. As I said, it's all about traffic, getting it right direction, hitting your links, and it converts into cash. So that's there as well. Load of vendor bonuses, believe me, we've got loads in store for you. So yeah, once you get that, it's all there, and all you got to do is click on any of the green buttons, and as long as I get credited with a sale, all of these bonuses are waiting for you, each and every one. There's a load of bonuses there from Jono and myself. Absolute madness, it really is. And Money Grub, as I say, it's a complete training course. Let's have a quick look at the sales page. Don't want to go over it too long. You're going to see what you're getting inside. But here, it's going to show you how to make your business grow. Not only that, how to get started the right way, and how to move on ASAP, as fast as possible, as soon as possible. No prior experience needed, no techie knowledge, step-by-step training. It's all training. It's hardcore. It's going to get you there. You're going to be shown the free software and the paid software, and it's saying results or your money back guaranteed. So make sure you check it out, guys. It's not a super long sales page like some. We just want to get straight to the point. We want to show you a bit of proof. We want to get you some testimonials, explain what it can do for you, how easy it is, and how it is the affiliate marketing shortcut that you need if you're not making money. If you're not making money today, this is it. This really is it. It's all here. You're going to get some more bonuses here: profit abundance, linking profits, profit mania, commission blast, and coin smash. Some massive bonuses there as well on the sales page. More testimonials. A lot of people, we could have filled the page with testimonials, because this is the course that's going to show you how to make money the right way with affiliate marketing. You've got your 30-day money back guarantee, so there's no risk on your part. If you don't like the course, you don't like the training, you don't have to. And it's all here. Simply click on any of the green buttons, lock it all in at the lowest price, and you'd be silly to miss out. There's myself in the middle, Mark Gossage. Over here on the right, Kaleem Mohammed, my business partner, as well as Justin Chase, and we've all put our time into this. We've tried to make it as easy as we can, but without leaving anything out. Okay, that's why it is a rather big training course. We're not just going to say, hey, you need to do a video, you need to put an affiliate link on, you need to get people to click it, and that's how you make money. We're actually taking you through it. Okay, I've done a welcome to Money Grub video. I'll give you an introduction here, and then it goes on about product reviews. I'm going to explain what to say in your review video, what you should be talking, what you should, I'm on video, what do I say? Well, have a listen. It's going to tell you what to say in your video. You don't know how to create videos? Don't worry, we're going to show you. Then what we've got, putting yourself on a review video. You don't want to put yourself on? No problem. I'm going to go through the simple steps. I'm going to explain you could do it this way, you could do it that way, or you could put yourself on video. Don't have to put all your face on. Nothing like that. You don't even have to have your voice on there if you don't want to. And I explain why you should, and if not, why you shouldn't. So it's all there, and how to step up now, to move up even with that. Okay, I'll show you how, or explain how, not to show. I explain how you should start if you're a little camera shy. The best way, how to start and how to move on a bit, next step. So you start with your review video, you're not on there, not even your voice, and then you move on. Oh, we'll put the voice on, do you know what I mean? And we do it nice, slowly, gently, easy. Then screen recording device, okay? Screencast-O-Matic or OBS. Screencast is easier, it's cloud-based. They do a free version. I think you're allowed up to 15 minutes recording before you have to pay. It does leave a watermark on, but don't worry. It's so simple. If you want to load OBS, that's free. Takes a bit more tinkering. You might find it hard. If you do, go for Screencast. Already set up online. Super simple. A lot of people use it. They leave the watermark in, get started, know how to use it. And as you move on, you think, I might want to do more than 15 minutes, and I would like to take that logo out, the branding. So then, as the money's coming in, just pay the subscription. Not sure how much it is. I know it's not a lot. It really, really isn't, guys. It's only a few dollars. Screencast, so cheap, so easy. How to use Screencast-O-Matic and how to install and use OBS. It's all there. Kaleem goes through it. He's going to show you exactly what to do. Plus, he goes on, he explains how to find products to promote, and there's Kaleem there, waiting to explain exactly where to go and get your products that you can promote and start making money with. YouTube, he's going to explain the title, the thumbnail, the description, and all about TubeBuddy. It gives you everything there, and that's Justin's going to take you through that. Okay, as I said, we've split it up. We thought, well, Justin's good at explaining YouTube and this, so we let Justin do it. Kaleem loves Screencast, is the best man to explain Screencast, and for me, I will be explaining something later on in massive detail, which we'll go through. But Justin goes even further, audience retention, how to embed your video, end screen, the importance of it, how to do it, everything, maximise your engagement signals, user and YouTube Shorts. It's all there, guys. It's not just a little quick. This is going to, you've got the software, Screencast or OBS. You now know how to do it. You know all about your titles, your end cards, what to say in your review, how to do it. We're now almost there. Okay, we've got people coming and everything. Munchide's going to go through. Munchide's going to go through Warrior Plus, JV Zoo, all this. It's going to explain the different affiliate marketing platforms where you can get all these offers from, how to use them and everything like that. Then how to create a bonus page. Well, I got that one. Okay, and I must say, I broke it up so it was easier. I could have done it in a 3-hour tutorial. It is in depth. This is going to take you through everything. Why do you need a bonus page? Well, you don't have to have one, but if you do, you'll make more money. So I explain, that's why you need a bonus page. Then I move on to Commission Griller. Yeah, it's a paid software, cloud-based, but it makes it super simple. It means you're going to be up running with bonus pages, everything there. And then I run through a blank page, and I had to remember because it's been quite a time, months and months since I started with a blank page. I normally I've already created my pages, so I just clone them and edit them and change them like that. So I was staring at this blank page and I had to remember, and I drag everything on and move it about, edit it, and I build a bonus page right from scratch. I'll show you exactly where to get everything from, how to do it, what you need, all in there. Okay, so it's all about Commission Griller, how to build it from scratch, how to add your buttons, how to add your countdown timer, editing the background, how to get the background. A lot of people don't realise how easy it is to get a background. There's right click on the web page, click source, go in and look through lines and pages even of code. Impossible. It really is. I done it that way at the beginning. I could spend anything from a few minutes if I was lucky to an hour, give up, just forget it and just do a similar colour or use a different background. Well, I found a way to do it. The answer's in here. Keeping it legal, I go through all the legalities sort of thing that you need to do to keep your bonus page legal. SEO your bonus page, why not? Okay, final checks, add your bonuses, cloning and editing. As I say, once you've built it, and it is a big deal, the first one does take, it will take you time. I'm not, but once you got it, you just clone it, you copy it basically, and just move a few bits in and out, edit it quickly, add your spin to it, you got a new bonus page. So once you know what you're doing, once you built 2 or 3 and cloned a few, you're going to find, half hour, 20 minutes, half hour, bonus page done, bonus page done, bonus page done, all super simple. At the beginning, it's there, but all the trainings there broke it down. So if you do forget, you think, well, I've been doing it all. How did I do that? You just look down the list here. Add CTA button. Yeah, okay. That's why I didn't do one big video where you got to watch 3 hours and then you got to try and find something you forgot. I've split them into smaller videos here, but there's still a few hours of videos, guys. Bonus pages, you're going to be a bonus page king. You really are. Once you've gone through that, you will need Commission Griller, but believe me, well worth it. You'll see why when you get the training. Case study from real users showing you this works. It's not just some, this works and we disappear. We're showing you it works. You know it works. I do this. You've seen me on reviews probably. They make money. It's as simple as that. You do have to get known. You do need to get several videos up and get people talking about everything like that. Don't expect it. It's not an overnight success story. This is a real business, real training, and it's what you can get up and running in the long term, not as well as the short term. You've also got upgrades if you missed out on those one-time offers and those bonuses. So that basically is Money Grub. It takes you right from A to Z. It uses YouTube. You get your free traffic on there. A lot of people are looking for new bonuses. They're looking, I've heard about this product, but I'm not sure. You're there to show it them. You're there to showcase it. You're there, you're there to give them that info. And that once they, that's what I wanted. Click the buying. Okay, that's putting commissions in your pocket where they belong. Money Grub, commissions in your pocket. Simple as that. This is a training in depth. It should have been split up into one-time offers, guys, but we put the whole training there. It really is all waiting for you, and it's been super simplified. There is a few hours of training. It's not your normal 5 minutes, and this isn't just a promise. This is the real deal. It really, really is. So all here. Back to my bonus page. First link, below this video if you're on YouTube, and you can check out all these upsells. Money Grub front end $12.95. You'd be mad to miss out if you've been trying to make money online, even if you've been reviewing. This is going to show you how to do it the right way. Okay, just get in there and sort it out. It really, really is. Upsell 1 lava, $17. There are downsells on all of these, and this is a social booster system where they go through several social media strategies that are, they're just going to make it super simple. If you want to start moving ahead in your, social media, lava's the answer. Caterpillar upsell 2, $27. Again, there is a downsell. Snapchat, loads of users, everything there. Less competition, the same, everything there. So you're going to get a complete video course on Snapchat. It's going to show you how to really take advantage, and it's well worth the money, guys. And as it says there, no marketers are using this system. It's virtually unknown, this system is. So super powerful, well worth getting. Evolve, this allows you to grow with done-for-you products of your own. So if you want to make, if you want to sell your own products, this is the main way. This is a done-for-you product, private label rights. They're going to give you the ability to write everything so that you've got your own products to sell, and you'll own the products. That's right, you own them, you sell them, you keep the cash. Cocoon upsell $4, $67, and here you can sell Money Grub as your own product. This is reseller rights. You don't have to do nothing, get enough, just send traffic to it, and you're going to get all the commissions, 100%, not 50%, all of the commissions, okay? All there for you. Butterfly is the main one, $697. Really, really cheap. Everybody else is charging $997 and $999, around $1,000, and it's here for you guys. If you want to be a product vendor, when you launch a product with us, we'll go through it, we'll help you, we'll get you through it, and everything, okay? And it's the best way to build your list, okay? You're going to see a sizable amount of commissions flowing into your account. We do all the work for you. We pay you, we pay for all the copy. You're going to get web pages, funnels, bonus, everything's done for you, and you get to keep 100% of the buyer leads. Everybody that buys goes on your email list, so that means that they're not just tire kickers. Everybody's bought the product with your name on it and your image, your photograph. As long as you give us your photograph, we'll use it, people will see you, and they'll know who they purchased off. Plus you're going to get half the profits, 50%, massive deal. Have a look round, guys, anywhere. Nobody else, I believe, is offering that at that price. You're going to be paying like $1,000 or more, plus you'll only get 10 or 15% of the profits. They're not giving you anything. We're giving you, the biggest deal on here. So if you do want to do that, we're waiting to help you guys. All here, it's up now. Money Grub, it really is that deal. It is the cash, it is the money. You want Money Grub, make sure you lock it in. And as I say, if you buy it through my bonus page, click on any of these green buttons. As long as I get credited with a sale, bang, all these bonuses are yours, and there is a load. That's why it's the best bonus page on the planet. You're not only getting my bonuses, super deals, you're getting Jono's as well, all here, and even more vendor bonuses off us to seal the deal. So that's Money Grub, all about starting with YouTube, bonus pages, and just cashing in, basically. This is the full training. It's everything you need, guys. Just go through the training. It's all there, and it's not just 1 or 2 videos. You must realise it is going to take time to go through them. It is going to take a few hours. For me, 2 or 3 weekends to go through it, understand it, put it into action. It's not something small. It's not a let's pretend that, we're going to make money. This is the full-blown money-making system. This is what those people out there are doing. This is what the big marketers are doing, or the big reviewers. This is what they're doing, how they're doing it, what they're using. It's a tricks of the trade, basically. Everybody goes, oh, what's the secret? Well, the secrets are in Money Grub, all the training there. So thanks for watching. Hope you fully understand the full power of Money Grub. And all that remains for me to say, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.